In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your account history on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu, and then select your activity. That's where you can find in one place all of your activities, including interactions like likes, comments, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. So if we get into likes, that will show us all the posts we have ever liked on Instagram. Just like that, just scroll down and they will download automatically. Also, the same about comments, tags, and all other interactions. Right here, you can easily find removed and archived content, so you can get into recently deleted to show up your recently deleted content. The same about archive. Also, content you shared, like posts, reels, and highlights. Suggested content. You can get into not interested to see the content you have marked as not interested for you. Then the same about interested, and also you can find your time spent here. In this way you can check your Instagram activity through all the weekdays. Then account history, you can see all the changes you made with your account, like changing website or changing your bio or all the other information. And also you can find your recent searches, so it shows us the users we have searched for. We can, hitting at this cross, remove that information from our recent searches history. And also you can check the links you have visited in this simple way. And if we go back here, we'll be able to download all of that information. Just tap right here and then tap at request a download. Then choose your account. You can select multiple accounts at the same time and then hit at next. Then choose complete copy or select types of information, and then tap at submit request. What that will do, that will send you an email on your email address with all of your activities for the accounts you have checkmarked. That's how you can easily check your Instagram history. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.